Mind blowing. It is said that well beaten is half done. I have no more words to say. What should I speak that you, in this both speeches, I am totally contented. I am totally satisfied. And I hope the same thing from you all guys. Okay, so be rocking star. Now, before I invite anybody else, just few lines I would like to speak. जिंदगी में आती है कई कसौटियां, उन कसौटियों के पार करने की ताकत रखते हैं. आई एम डेडिकेटिंग टू यू ऑल. जिंदगी में आती है कई कसौटियां, उन कसौटियों को पार करने की ताकत रखते हैं. पंख लगाने से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. रखो हौसला, हो हौसला बुलंद तो मुट्ठी में हर मुकाम है. यहाँ तकलीफें और मुश्किलें तो आम है. जिंदा हो तो ताकत रखो लहरों के खिलाफ तैरने की, क्योंकि लहरों के साथ तैरना तो लाशों का काम है. अभिषेक.
Hello, good morning friends and my dear respected sir. You know me very well. You know me very well. My name is Abhishek and we are three members in my family. My father and my mother. My father's name is Ramesh Vasoya and my mother's name is Komal Vasoya. My father is businessman and my mother is homemaker. And I am student. I'm studying BCA right now, and I have very busy schedule. In BCA, we have to learn about many computer languages like C, C++, C#, Python, and search engine. And in third year BCA, I have to do project work online, which is have to create a website, different type of website. Okay. So I woke up at 7:30 in the morning. Then I do meditation for at least 20 minutes, around 20 minutes, and then I take bath and take breakfast. Then I left from house for go to Ravi English Institute. When after enjoying 1 hour and learn more than English.
Come on, you are doing very good. Don't worry.
After left from institute, I go to my father's office and I help them when they have lots of work pressure. Then I go to college. I am that type of person who always late. I don't know why, but it always happened to me.
Okay.
Whenever I reach college, my lecture started already. After attend 4 to 5 lectures, we get 1 hour for do our project. Nowadays, me and my friend are working on online workshop. When we started our work on project, we already decide how much work we have to do and how many queries we have to solve. and then we get 1 hour to do our project, and then we go to my home, and there me and my friend doing work on project for at least 2 and 3 hours, which is very annoying because of we continuously staring laptop and display, and after finish our work, I go to Sapswara music classes. When I learn how to play guitar and sing, how to sing, and then I left from class and go to my home, and me and my father's serial because of my mom. Because of my mom, because she get the remote control and we don't do anything. We just don't read the serial like Anupama and all that. Then we are taking dinner. After taking dinner, I go to my room and play mobile games like BGMI and Valorant, like, because when I was kid, I like mobile games and computer games much, and I also want to be esports player, because in India, Indian parents don't understand what is esports. See, they always hate like that stuff, because they think that's not good for our children. And then I go to bed. That's my boring schedule. You can say that. It's not good. Okay, and thank you, friends and sir, for listening my speech and day-to-day work. And I would like to thank you, my dear sir, for giving me this opportunity opportunity to stand here and give my.
Great.